Just broke a nail. All right, guys, so I wanted to come on with you guys and style my hair. It's not freshly shampooed or anything, but I did braid it and twist it up last night. So just wanted to come on and style it with you guys. All right, so this is what I did, as you can see here. Hopefully you can see that I did braids at the roots and then I twisted the rest. This gives me, I do this because it gives me length. So when I want to stretch my hair out, I will braid it at the root and then twist the rest. And I did this on dry hair. It was not wet, so there's not going to be a lot of definition, which is fine for me. I don't really like my hair really defined like that. I just kind of like it as you usually see it, just all over the place. I'm comfortable with that, but you know what? I will dust my ends while I'm doing this because my ends, I won't say they're bad, but my hair is so dry. Like gray hair. I've never had such dry hair. So I'm just gonna go through and dust my ends as I take my hair down. You guys have any recommendation like on any great products for gray drying hair that's not going to weigh my hair down? I usually don't. Let me back up. I do not put a lot of products in my hair. I shampoo my hair really good and I use a shea butter mixture that I mix together, and I don't know everything that I have in there. I can't remember everything that I mix, but maybe one day when I do my hair, when I actually like shampoo it, I can show you what that looks like. I just wanted to come on with you guys and style my hair with you. Look at this end. Look at that. I have to take all that off. No use to holding on to that or this. Get this while I'm at it. I don't know if I'll get this video up today. Hopefully I will. But today is Saturday. What are you guys doing today? And tonight, I'm actually going to see one of my new favorite artists, and I just love him. So I'm going to see Kevin Ross. He sings that Sweet Release song, but I really like his music. He has this one song titled God is a Genius. Oh, I just love it. It's a beautiful song. I hope he sings it. I'm gonna be right up front. If it's an artist like I really like, and I go see them like in concert or something like that, like I want to be right up front. I want them to see the joy in my face. you know. Yeah, I'm gonna be right up front. Right up front. All right, we're almost done. I'm gonna dust this one even though I took it down already. Okay, getting somewhere. I need to hurry up. Dust this one. And I don't care if my hair is, you know, not the same length everywhere. My hair naturally grows like that. Even when my hair was straight and I had a relaxer and it was so long, my back would always be shorter. I guess you can kind of say I would have like, not like a really defined bob, but kind of in that shape. And it really depends. Sometimes I wear it on this side, sometimes I wear it on this side. I think let's wear it on this side today. So I really just kind of don't use a comb or anything like that. I use my fingers and just kind of go through the roots. Just to make sure that, you know, no parts are showing. And another thing, a lot of people think my hair is thick. My hair is so thin, you guys. I've always had thin hair. I've always had thin hair, but a lot of it, you know what I mean? So I'm okay with this. I don't want to mess with it too much just because like later on tonight when I get ready to go to the concert, I'll like maybe tease it a little bit more, but I'm okay with this. Like I am okay with this. I did that. And here is the hair that I dusted off. That's all the hair I dusted off the ends. All right, we're gonna put on our lippy, our jewelry and rings. And we are ready for the day. Just a little bit of a lippy. So yeah, guys, that's my look. Let me, where are my earrings? Earrings and jewelry. I'm gonna wear my long faux gauges today. They look heavy, guys, but they're not. They're so very lightweight. Anyway, they're very lightweight. And I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna wear these today. All right, guys, so that is my look. I really, again, just wanted to come on and style my hair with you guys and also test out a new mic that I have. And hopefully this sounds good because I've been buying so many mics and like nothing's working out for me, but I hope this one sounds okay. And with that being said, if it sounds okay, I want to push out more videos. And yeah, so that is it, guys. So if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup. Also, my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.